go, guys. It's Chris here at DeFi Hustler, and we are back today with the Cryptex. Basically, what we're about to do is withdraw 190 bucks from the platform. So I want to show you this. So let's do this. All right, but first of all, guys, I want to say thank you for my last video in regards to Cryptex. I had 614 views, which is absolutely amazing. All organic views as well, and there's no buying bots here. There's nothing. It's all organic. As you can see, I get sometimes 62, 63, 153, some more, some less. Depends. But yeah, it's doing really, really well. I have to say. Since I rebranded, I've had 29 videos now. This is going to be my 30th video, so exciting times. And yeah, what I'm going to do is show you what you need to do, and it's very, very simple, guys. So bring your email up. All you need to do first of all is get your email up, and what we want to do is come to here and come to withdraw. Okay, and then I put 190 in my Bitcoin wallet. So my Bitcoin wallet, okay, that's that done. 195, 190, and then I click enter. Make sure you put your Bitcoin wallet, and that will come here. You put enter, and it says yeah, takes up to 12 to 48 hours, and I'll get $171. Conversion fee is new 4% to 10%, I believe. That's interesting. But anyway, yeah, there's always been a fee anyway, so that doesn't really bother. Confirm. Okay, so that's done. Okay, so you could come to see it here now, and you'll see your withdrawals. It says completed straight away, but it's not completed. So what we need to do now, says here completed, but it's not completed. So what we do is you come to your email address, and you enter the email in, and I'll leave that in the description below the video for you to contact, and it's just this one. I will put that in the video, and then you put hi Cryptex Wallet, your wallet address, which is that wallet address here. You put the amount in, and then put thanks, and then just put send. And then all I do now is I go to here, I copy that, I come to here, I go to payment inquiry. No, not payment inquiry, support. And then inquiries about withdraw, and I put mine in, and then I just put this. I've sent, I have put a request in, and I've sent you an email. Leave like that. Thanks, and then send request. That's it. All right, that's as easy as ABC. Honestly, guys, I will leave all the information in the link description below the video so you can see it for yourself. I will help you as much as I can. I will put the information how to do it. It shouldn't be really hard to do. But yeah, guys, it's going so far so well. I've made a load of videos. This is a really good video to watch. And it explains everything. There's been millions and millions and millions of dollars been withdrawn and deposited into this platform. It's been going on since 2016. It is 2025, so it's 9 years in the making in business, and it's doing everything it should be doing. So yeah, so far so good. Now what I want to do is show you my overall portfolio. So guys, yeah, you can see here I've made over $78,000, $78,200, which is absolutely fantastic. Obviously I've done a 3-year staking. The 2-year staking has already been closed. You can only do 3, 5, and 7 now. I've got 15 active staking accounts. My overall, we've made over 180,870, including my referrals. I've made over 1,755 from my referrals, which is brilliant. I've had 152 people joined, but not everybody's active as usual. And we can show you active staking. Let me see here. And we can show you a little bit about the staking situation. Basically, it's like a loan. It's really weird how it works. You basically loan off a bank or banks, and usually they stake and you make money, and then you pay certain things off every single month. It's a really interesting project. It's on the blockchain, which is really cool, as they say. So total active in staking blocks, so it's 531,809. The total bounce is 453,000. So up to now, I've done a total profit of 17.24%. Total last profit was yesterday at 0.13%. I made over $507 for the day. Yeah, and like you say, guys, it's everything shows you here. I started on 10th. Sorry, 8th of October last year, and my contract finishes on the 7th of October 2027. So in 2 years' time, which is great, and I'll be happy by then. Yeah. So last profit was yeah, it's done really well. I mean, it's all the information is here, guys. All the information what you need, and you can go and have a look on YouTube. There's so many stuff on YouTube about this. And basically, what you do is you pay a monthly fee of $210, monthly fee handling fee $30, loan investment per year, loan 100% secured at 453,600, and all the information is here, guys. And if you need to understand it properly, watch that video, and it will really help you. I'm sure it will. You can see here what's going on, how they are every day. I make 0.08%, 0.1%, small amounts, guys. I've got 821 days remaining. Seems a long way, but for that amount of money, I don't care. I'll wait for 2, 3, 4 years. It's not a problem. I'm here to stay. So yeah, I hope you enjoyed this video, guys. I hope you found some value in this video. And please watch that video. It's on my YouTube channel. All right. Take care, guys. God bless you all. Bye for now.